Atlas Automotive Company Limited is a professional enterprise specialized in research and development, sales and service of electric vehicles from our own factory. The company's mission is to promote green travel, be customer-centric, and provide high-quality products and services. To become a company that satisfies customers, makes employees happy, and develops sustainably. To continue to create value for customers and society. The company have professional international marketing team to communicate with all customer without any misunderstanding. Our holding factory has 2 parallel assembly lines in production workshop, manned by skilled workers. These lines can produce hundreds of electric vehicles daily, following a stringent process from frame construction to parts installation. Our spare parts warehouse is well organized and managed by a dedicated team. We ensure timely delivery of various parts, including screws and frames, to meet production demands. We have a team of professional quality inspectors who utilize state-of-the-art testing equipment. They rigorously test key components like the circuit of each assembled electric vehicle. This ensures that the vehicles leaving our factory meet all quality standards. Our staff is dedicated to ensuring the perfect delivery of each vehicle by performing final appearance wiping and sorting, as well as vehicle entry and exit registration. We cater to diverse market demands with different styles and colors, providing a range of choices for your production needs. Please feel free to contact us for further information.